Has anybody seen Nnamdi Kanu killing anybody? He's not a murderer. Has anybody caught him with guns? I don't know whether your mind has gone to that level. Are you arresting somebody who has never kidnapped anybody? Nnamdi has never been one of the herdsmen. He's not among the kidnappers. He's not among the bandits. He's not among the Boko Haram people. He doesn't carry ammunition. And he's not even a politician. He's not a governor. He's not a councillor. He's not one of the unknown gunmen, unmen gun, whatever. Okumbawano, unmen non gunmen, ungun no men, whatever. Ihe agbagwara ya zaba. Ihe eji ebu amụma bụ ihe na-eme n'oge amụma. Ọ bụrụ na agụ na-atagbu mmadụ oge amụma, ịbịa na-ekwu na ewu na-agagharị. Onye amụma ga-eji ihe na-eme n'obodo were bu amụma zie ozi. So, it doesn't mean they will release him or they will not release him. My job is to say what the Spirit asked me to say. And like Amos, I am called for this job. Hello? That offer was brought to me. Slots. Sinage meeting, gave the slots. A meeting, the police, army, Abujo, a Budo Chewe, a buy mono meeting as no slots. So praise the Lord. I'm Kuchandiga a different title. You got a film. Mbaka could and PM half as I had boy. I gave them last Wednesday night on Kemua Kuko, will also could. As one Mbaka attacks Buhari, Mbaka this. Najo over Mbaka also going carry them. So as soon as the slots, everybody know get that baby and get slot. So they came here. Sorry, this one may trigger an issue again. But the author go yourself. Even before me go, author go get. As Makaya will guess I got a physio quam, music and come your former. Ndin guess I go na church. And this is now no go away. And this is now maybe go come. We're not going to I'm still in the church. I'm still with the church. I'm still